Hi, I'm Daniel Morse. I got Tourette syndrome, and today we're gonna do a sick track out of my vocal tics.
Let's do this!
Fuck. And let me settle that. I made a freaking bet. How good can I Tourette? So please
take a minute and let me settle that. I made the fuck.